How to connect Salesforce to Power BI 2025. Follow these instructions. Open Power BI Desktop. Click Get Data on the Home tab to start connecting your Salesforce data for analysis. Type Salesforce in the search box, then select Salesforce Objects from the list and hit Connect. Sign into your Salesforce account using your login details when the authentication window appears. Choose Production if using normal Salesforce, or select Custom for sandbox or different domain logins. After login, Power BI shows your Salesforce objects. Select the tables or views you want to import. Find and bring the selected Salesforce data into Power BI for building reports. Use filters, charts, and visuals in Power BI to explore Salesforce data with real-time dashboards. Thank you for watching.